Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. Number 3 and number 2, you got about 6s. First, the derivative of 6s, you got about negative number 6. About the constant, you got about 0. Next, because we don't have number 6 and number 6, so we need to divide both sides by number 6. So this one we change by u. S minus 1 ds we change by du over number 6. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4x minus 7. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about the u equal to 4ds. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. The s we change by the u over number 4. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.